Good evening, everyone, and welcome to today's very important session on contemporary issues in education and teachers' empowerment, organized by Skillveda. Skillveda is your partner in transforming education through innovation, inclusion, and global competencies. We believe education must evolve to prepare learners for the rapidly changing world. Education today is not the same as it was a decade ago. The classrooms are changing, the learners are changing, so are the challenges that come with them. From the impact of technology and AI to NEP 2020, inclusive education, mental health, and 21st century skills, teachers today are at the center of every transformation. But with new challenges come new responsibilities. And to meet these responsibilities, teachers need to be empowered with knowledge, skills, and the right mindset. Because when a teacher grows, students grows. When a teacher is empowered, the entire education system becomes stronger. This session is designed to open a dialogue on the key contemporary issues that are shaping education today. And more importantly, to explore how you as educators can equip yourself to lead with confidence and purpose. We are honored to have with us our distinguished speaker, Ms. Rekha, a principal, CBSE resource person, an educationist and consultant, who will share her insights, experiences, and practical strategies that will help you navigate these changes and grow as empowered educators. So let us listen, learn, reflect, and take back ideas that we can implement in our classrooms from tomorrow itself. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, Ms. Rekha.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, Twinkle Ma'am, for such a warm welcome. So, if it is possible for everyone to switch on the camera, it will be grateful. If not, be comfortable. But I don't want that only I should speak. I want the answers from you because this workshop is not only for discussion, like only for giving advices onto all these things. We all are educators from decades, so I will love that if we can have a nice discussion for the another 1.5 hour, because then it will be something which I have understood in almost 19 years and what you are facing in your school. So then it will be a nice tie up. So thank you once again, Twinkle Ma'am. So I am starting the
Yeah,
session.
please.
So the
Yeah.
topic which we have taken is contemporary issue in education and teacher empowerment. The moment you listen to this word, anyone can you can just raise your hand and I will get back to you. If you can just tell me that, or you can unmute yourself, that what is the first thing which come in your mind the moment I talk about contemporary issue in education and teacher empowerment? Anyone? The platform is, and before I take up the answer, everyone in this session is correct. So no one is wrong. So it's something which we are having a healthy discussion. So you can just go forward. Thank you. Anyone?
Evening,
What?
ma'am.
Yes. Good evening, ma'am.
As per my view, one of the important issue which we are facing, I'm sure other teachers must agree with me that the problematic parents who are not listening. Second, the special kids parents who are not understanding that their kids are special. Acceptance.
Very true, ma'am. Excellent. So that is actually the one of the major reason which we face nowadays in the teaching field, the parents and the way the upcoming, you can talk about anything. We cannot have a specific name about it, that it is any specific word, but yes, we can talk about these things like technology integration in teaching. We will just touch these things as much as we can. Blended learning and flipped classroom, digital safety and cyber awareness, inclusive education supporting learning difficulties, teacher well-being and professional growth. So what you told, ma'am, it was absolutely correct. Why? Because uh, the thing which you have raised is everyone now are having a nuclear family. So when nuclear family is there, the children are only, you have only one child or two. So the parents, before you drop in something, they chip into your things. So the parents are actually the 70% work they are doing in the school. Correct me. Your name is Ashutosh Rastogi. It is coming, I think. I don't know the exact name, ma'am. So in the screen it is coming like that. So I think that is a major issue which is happening. So absolutely correct. So we will come to that point. So if anyone can tell me that any one word, what you can define as modern teaching.
Good evening,
Anyone?
madam.
Yes.
Regarding teaching learning challenges and classroom management, particularly nowadays, and socio emotional balancing.
Very important, yes. Socio-economic, socio-mental balance means nowadays every child needs one mobile. They need one cozy corner of the room, and let the parents be existing in the room or not, it hardly matters to them. And then everything the parents want in the WhatsApp. Let it be notes, let it be homework, let it be classwork, let it be the child is not well. So, there, the technology and teaching, we are merging it together. So, modern teaching is actually challenging for the teachers nowadays. So, kindly, if you can raise your hands with the icon, I will agree, or any one thumbs up that nowadays, the more the we are going to the 21st century, the teaching is becoming a little liberal challenge for everyone. Just if you can just give me a thumbs up. Thank you.
Yeah, Divyaji, you want to ask something?
No, yes,
No,
ma'am.
that was
The
agreed.
answer.
Okay, fine. Okay.
That's great. So today we will take away objectives will be integrate technology effectively. We'll understand the blended learning modules. We will understand that nowadays the digital safety, because in the schools we are giving them the access to the computers for many work related thing. We give them homework also which is related to the computers only, and to related to the digital world. So how much safety it is needed, and then the support of diverse learner, recognition of ADHD and the slow learners and the below average students, and manage time and stress, and the last but not the least is develop reflective teaching habits. So the first thing comes in technology. So, any one of you can tell me that which in your different schools, because here I can see we have teachers from Pan India. So, everywhere we have digital platforms in a different way. Some schools they still go to only with the computer lab. There are maximum schools who go with digital TV nowadays, and the whole classroom are having digital tools. They don't even use the soft boards, the whiteboards. They just you go with the AI tools. So any one of you can just come up with what tools you use in your school rather than this digital TVs and the normal basic computer labs.
Smart TVs.
Yes, smart TVs we are
Please.
having in almost every class, ma'am. Leaving that, any extra AI tool which your school is actually giving, implementing in that, leaving the AI classes are very important. Leaving
Yeah,
that,
R. Bharti ji, you have raised your hand or
Madam,
you want to ask something?
edutech softwares.
EduTech software is very good. Next,
Uh,
Bharti ma'am.
yeah, we will be using the other like Kahat is one of the thing which is
Kahoot,
Kahoot.
there.
Kahoot.
Kahat is there. So this is for the assessment, like small
Yes,
assessments, like at the
quiz.
end of the topic. Quizzes are there. Even in the online sessions which we have, so quizzes and the Kahat, and these are the things which like they will be activated the students instead of
Very true.
closing the cameras. We keep on asking them switch on the videos, no one will switch on their videos. Instead everyone will respond here, so that we can make them activated in the classroom sessions as well.
The best example, Bharti ma'am, you can see the moment that we have started the session, I requested all the teachers to switch on the cameras. So here, like students, it is a human nature wherever you go. You have to request the people to switch on the camera, because what happened, it happens with the digital classrooms also, because after some time you start talking with the machine. You don't talk with the humans there, because as if you cannot see anything, you just see a black screen and the name is there. So slowly you start talking with the names, and there are no human there. So you feel that you're talking to a machine. So then the reaction of the teacher also gets sustained. They cannot go for a long time. So the first is a smart classroom and digital tools, as you have excellently tell that we have used Kahoot is there. There are many maths also which we use, and especially even nowadays our training sessions are happening in online. If you go to the Diksha portal, if you go to the CBSE portal, we use all this. So what happens when we give the digital boards, projectors and audio systems, we give them tablets, laptops. Nowadays there are schools, ma'am, especially the international schools and the IB schools, they provide the students with tablets. They tell them that it's like still India is going with pen and paper, but there are schools which have actually opted tablets for their to enhance the study to another level. So this is another thing. So what happens is, in the class when we teach, we appreciate the student very rare. Agreed or disagree? Anyone? Because it is a 40 minutes class. So we have a pressure of completing the syllabus. Then we have a pressure of completing the notes. We have many things back to back. From inside also, we want them to give the appreciation. But what happens is, because of the time limit, we give it to one or the two child. But when it comes to the technology, what happens? The moment you have solved the problems, you get flying claret. All the laurels are there on the screen. You get smileys, you get woohoo, you have got this, you get crowns, you get
Yes.
marks popping up. So the interest gets double when technology is included in the education. Agreed or disagree? Anyone? Yes or no? Any, you can just give thumbs up. It's absolutely fine. Because I want two ways communication, or else it will be like I'm talking to the AI. Yes, thank you, Bharti ma'am. So what happens is, all these smart digital tools, AI tools in the education, the interactive learning platforms, the gamification in learning, these all are subdivisions which nowadays the teaching faculty, the teachers are getting dependent on that. But here I will request that the more we depend on the AI tools, we finish our own zeal of teaching. So what a teacher teach, because we will take the students the way we see them in the class, but the AI will see the class the way they perform on the tablets or in any of the games. Agree? Because what happens is, in the maths, like Kahoot is very nice. Actually, you have given an example where you give instant result. You give the quiz, results are there, you give the marks, you solve it, and they will give you the marks then and there. So the teacher's half burden is gone. But that same thing when we come to the pen and paper, ma'am. So it should go simultaneously. It should not overlap. The AI should not overlap the old teaching pattern. Why? Because the reading habit, the LSRW, is going off. Nowadays, if you type something, if you cannot, you just use the speaking that tool. It will, everything will be typed. That is the reason the children, the more they go higher in studies, they stop reading anything. They cannot read the whole question. When they can't read anything, they cannot talk with the question. When they can't talk with the question, they don't get the answer. So somewhere I am not disagreeing, because I am also I will not tell I'm Gen Z, I'm Gen Alpha, but still I am going with the same pace because I don't want to become stagnant water. I am also adapting these things. But somewhere in the class, as a principal, when I go, I actually tell them to take out the book. Stop seeing on the screen. Don't see everything on the screen. You are just scanning it. The video is going off. You understood the chapter and the chapter is over. But the moment the teacher goes in the class, explain the chapter very nicely, and then you go to tell them to scan, then the knowledge and understanding goes to another level. Yes, it happens. It happens. But there are few things where we are depending so much into all these things, technology, that the balance is going off. What is happening? We go, we tell them to scan, and we show the whole chapter in the YouTube as a story. Then the below average student, they don't understand. You have to knock them. You have to become that knock knock buddy. That get up, you have to. Because pictorial for a certain time it will there. Visualization is very important. But as a teacher, what you understand your student, a teacher can only do, not the AI. So here, what I mean to say is the tools in the education which we are using to enhance the learning should be balanced by the teacher, not to be dependent. Right? So now we'll go for an activity. So anyone here, if you can tell me that anytime you have felt like that the AI learning tool is actually heading me in teaching any of the chapter, any of the topic or something.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Recently, I witnessed, it did not happen with me, but I witnessed in the computer class, there was a game, Symmetrics. So the students were playing it, and yes, AI was heading over there. And one quiz was also there in which AI was winning. It was a toss quiz. So I felt that some kind of coding is done in which AI is deliberately made to win.
And then you feel that it is demotivating your student.
Yes.
That student is actually working hard, but
Yeah.
uncertainly, without knowingly, that demotivation happens. Then you feel bad that this quiz or this game, if I would have taken in my computer class in different way, things would have been better. Very good, well said, ma'am. So now we will, as we have talked about the disadvantage come advantages, now we will have the benefits. Yes, absolutely, I agree that the personalized learning, instant feedback which I was talking about, the quiz, anything which you give, then better engagement. Why? Anyone without reading the content, better engagement with an example. Anyone, the one who are speaking, I want other people also to speak. I can only listen Divya ma'am and Bharti ma'am. If other people can also involve into it. Why better engagement? What are the key points or the key takeaways when we say better engagement? Anyone?
Because students get visual stimulation.
Very true. Very good. Thanks, Akash sir. Exactly. And visual. And then second thing, visualization
Like
in
you
what?
can also say gamification, like in the form of quiz. They have some competitive nature. Students have some competitive nature, which helps them in engaging.
Better engagement.
Yes. So can I say like the what Akash sir has told and ma'am Ashutosh Rastogi ma'am like ma'am has told, what we
What
can think
Ragini?
about. Pardon, ma'am?
Kumari Ragini.
Ragini. Yes, Ragini, because it's written. So okay, no problem. Ragini ma'am and Akash sir has told. So here I'll tell you one very nice thing which you will actually laugh, that एक ही टीचर को रोज देख देख के they become bored. Science, again, ma'am has only come. But when that chapter, I'll tell you how do we fail and how AI wins. We explain the chapter. We don't have those skills of explaining it in the way the AI is doing. They have many pictures, they have many images. They, if they are teaching there's thunder, they will have noise, voice, pictures where thunder is there, rain comes and raindrops are there and things are happening. Suddenly the seed is coming, germination is happening, the seed is coming, the mud is going off, and suddenly the seed is coming, the seedling is coming, then the plant is coming. So what we used to do, we used to tell them to bring a glass, bring some chana, then put it inside, keep it under the sunlight. After 10 days, small green leaves will come. So this is overcome because when you visualize, as Akash sir has told, and when the colors are very bright, the images are very good, you start getting engaged into it. It's a default setting in human mind that जो चीज ज्यादा सुंदर दिखती है वो सबको अच्छी लगती है. तो AI is not actually, they are doing our job only, but they have made it more colorful. They have made it more into cartoons. They have used human voices, which generally, if I talk here about the teachers who take the languages in Hyderabad, when you go to a Telugu class, so there they sing and they teach the padya, the way they will teach the poems. If you go to a Hindi class, there are in many schools, especially I have seen in the north, the way they will say कविता को जितने अच्छे लय से पढ़ाएंगे तो वो चीज धीरे धीरे खत्म हो रही है. That is why we are coming into this. There are few teachers who still take it up challenge. They will teach the story in voice modulation. They do it in the class. The chapter become interesting. So this better engagement comes in that way. The AI knows how to grab the attention of the students for a longer period. That is why their children get stick to it. Instant feedback. The way I told before slide that we want to give. We are correcting 20 copies, ma'am, because we have 3 sections. And every
Rekha ji,
section. Yes, ma'am.
Bharti, I think Bharti ji has some question now.
Yes,
Bharti
Bharti.
ji, you want to ask some question?
No, I just
AI
want to
is
tell
the
the
skill. It's like enhance the skills. AI will act it, but AI will not react as per the
Yes.
Yes.
situation.
Very true. That what I was giving. Like what happens, ma'am? I will not tell this. Don't take teachers here as a negative thing. For example, nowadays when we take the notebooks for correction, it takes just seconds, teachers, because I have also come for 19 years now as an experienced teacher, principal. I'm telling, it just takes seconds to give appreciation. A smiley. Your handwriting is excellent. You have make the sentences very nice. One line makes a difference in the child. Because I always say that in my school also that an 80-year-old person also, when pat on the back that yes, you have done something good, that appreciation, instant feedback makes them feel good. Same with the students. So it takes few seconds. You can use stamps. Nowadays, teachers, you have so many things in the market. You have stamps, you have stickers, you have many other things, especially if there are teachers who teaches the nursery PP1 and PP2. I can see in my school, if you give them a star on in their hand, if they have done something good, I think the whole day they don't wash it. That today my teacher has given a star here. If you give them something on their like star stickers on their collars, they will tell the mama don't wash it, or they will take it out nicely, they will keep it inside their they will keep it on their almanac. So these are few things where the students actually carry it. And that is why in the same class there is one teacher who is having a very good connection with the students, and wherein there is another teacher who really wants to make that bond, but that is not getting created. The difference is just the feedback. We should never start with a negative thing. तुमसे कभी नहीं हो सकता है. That कभी नहीं हो सकता है हमसे. Start with, you have done yesterday. You have written 2 lines. Oh my God, you have written 3 lines. Excellent. Even the AI gives the same thing. You write, there are 5 fill in the blanks. You finish 2. The moment the 3rd, there will be a pop-up. You do the 4th, there will be a pop-up. So they motivate, they push the child to attempt, go for the next level, go for the next level. So this is the way as teachers we have to do it in the class. It's really, really needed, which we are actually losing it nowadays. And then we come with the visual.
Bharti ji, you still raise your hand. Yeah, please go ahead. Yeah.
I just want to answer about the better engagement, what you are asking. So what I follow is a 80-20 principle. My strategy is an 80-20 principle. So 80-20 principle, 20 is AI. 80 is teacher hand holding. So
excellent.
Why I said that 80 is teacher hand holding, because the entire class, the human touch is very much necessary for the emotional well-being and the social connection with the students and the teacher. So
Very true.
in my class, when I am teaching a topic, I want that hand to hand support with the students so that I increase their curiosity and I can increase the discussion among the students. Like even like PE integrations, my subject is biology. Generally, if I teach about muscles, I go with a PE integration. So experiential learning will be happening where they can
Very
stretch the
true.
muscles, they feel it, they can come. Acha, okay, ma'am is telling that this is why we have the sprains.
Yes.
So this is like so 80% should be the teacher hand holding should be there, 20%
Hmm.
only for the assessment or for the videos.
Very true. Agree. Agree with you, Bharti ma'am. And that is why we always say that nowadays the teachers need to balance technology and teaching together.
Yes.
It should be balanced properly, then only the teaching will never become a burden. That we always nowadays, everywhere, if you see, ma'am, AI is in the air. Like AI workshops, AI tools, AI this, even in the school also, the people who will come, they will come with AI only. Madam, हमारे पास AI का ये चीज है. मतलब, why we are still alive? The teaching faculty is still alive. We are there to give the oxygen to the learning faculty. So this is why it is happening, because slowly, without knowingly, unknowingly, we are getting dependent into this. So I really appreciate, Bharti ma'am, that you have still maintaining that decorum of 80-20, where then your connection, I am 200% sure, I've never been to your school, but that bonding of your students and you will be excellent, another level, what I feel. So because when you have this mindset, then your students are totally dependent on you, that ma'am, if you will only tell, then we will do it.
Yeah,
Correct?
ma'am. It's like I say that AI is powerful. I don't say that it is not
Yes,
powerful. It is
agree.
powerful only when it amplifies by teachers' expertise.
Yes,
Because
excellent.
we are
That's
giving the pedagogy, we are giving the whatever the instructions we need, what we need it. So AI is only following the instructions. It is
very
not.
true.
Yeah, it is not just like that. It is not giving itself.
Very true. I agree with you. Excellent. So I think technology is not bad. Like advantage, disadvantage, both is there. It's just as a teacher, we have to take it. We are not taking that, we will not take it. Because after COVID, I think it is a challenging thing. We have to learn all these things. Because nowadays everything is there. Nahi to aaj I think Skill Veda mein I wouldn't have taken the workshop if we have not gone ahead. So this is something like that, that we have to adapt it, but we should not only go ahead with this only. So now the another thing what we talk about is blended learning. So blended learning is a classroom teaching with technology to improve learning outcome. Any example which we do in the classroom, and what does it do? Anyone? Blended learning nowadays, CBSE, flipped classroom, blended learning, they are using these terminology very much, and we are implementing also it in the class. So I want to listen, how do you use it in your class, with any example, ma'am? Anyone? I have teachers here. I can see them. Divya ma'am, I don't want to listen. I don't want to listen. Bharti ma'am, I don't want to listen. Ragini ma'am, like there are many. Shalini ma'am is
Excuse me,
there.
ma'am.
Yes, sir. Akash sir, you are speaking.
Yes, ma'am.
I know these are there are 4 or 5 people who are giving me
Okay.
answer promptly. Yes, Akash sir, please go ahead.
We can actually give the students 10 to 15 minutes interactive activity on the device, like uh, they have to record themselves on certain topics. Uh, like we can also give
Akash sir,
homework.
what subject? I'm so sorry. Which subject do you take, Akash sir?
Actually, I'm a manager.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Please go ahead, sir.
Okay, so also we can ask the students to explain a concept using a short lesson on or on the board itself, using technology like digital learning. We can use the follow-up questions using. We can also use AI like for the quiz, which gives them dopamine instantly. If we provide them something like that they get dopamine instantly, they will started loving the learning. thing.
That is okay.
Arnav,
I want one example. Like, for example, we give,
ma'am, if we are teaching
yes,
types of animal, that wild
yes,
animal or domestic animal, we
yes,
can use the voice of that animal through technology. This is an
yes,
And when,
example.
yes, lovely, ma'am. And then thank you, Akash sir, for your answer, this prompt
ma'am,
answer. Yes, lovely, ma'am. And who else is speaking?
blended learning is a combination of classroom teachings and digital learning.
Yes, that is what that I understood. Like just now, lovely ma'am gave me a very good example that we
And
can
where
use
students
animal
learn,
sounds.
yes, and where students learn through both face-to-face interaction and online.
Yes, exactly. So what happens is, the way again we will go with Bharti ma'am's excellent line that if we go hand in hand with the technology and the learnings, what we teach, it will improve the learning outcome. Whatever we are teaching in the class, for example, lovely ma'am gave a very good example that if we are talking about some animals, we cannot take out animal sounds of all animals. After some time, it will become very weird. So we have those things in the classroom, and then it encourages independent learning. For example, if you have taught four animals, the
It
four animals you
encourages
will
the
give for home.
interest of the student.
Yes, it enhances the interest of the student that okay, and then different styles that this sound is particular or not, this is not, and they will go and they will do more and more experiment with the help of the teacher. That okay, ma'am, I have gone for this, something else is also there. Earlier, the teacher was only the person who used to give the answer. Nowadays, it is two-way method. We cannot tell the students that I will get back to you tomorrow. The students will tell you very smartly, ma'am, you let it be, ma'am. I will give you the whole answer and project tomorrow very nicely. So, this is the change which technology is bringing in nowadays education. That instant everything we are getting it. So, yes,
Yeah, Shivaji, you want to say something? Shiva Sam, or you mute your, yeah. Ragini ji, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Yeah,
ma'am,
please go.
please. Okay. So, what happens when we have blended learning in the classroom? We give a content. For example, we have taught them that how the digestion part, if the science teachers are there, I will tell you a very good example. I remember when I have seen one demo of a teacher. I'll tell you that was really excellent and it will be there in my mind forever. She has brought a socks, a pair of socks. She has brought some biscuits. She told me that, ma'am, I want a glass of water, like to keep it. And the way she has shown the digestion without an AI in the classroom, that this is the biscuit. She just crumbled it, put it inside the socks. She took it like that, and now it is going inside the stomach. Then she took the water and she put it in the socks. Now the liquids are going, and now this will. So that these things, the visualization is very important, which the AI is doing, which now we are not doing as experimental learning in the class. How many of you will agree that the way experiments was taught, now this AI is really helping us in a very better manner. So the practice, one thing, when one experiment we show them, the three experiments are there. Then whatever practice we are doing in the class, we give them two more practices, finish it at home and come back. Then the higher order thinking skills, it get enhanced in them because they start learning things. Agreed? So this thing AI is helping, but the initiative we have to take and the backup the AI will give. You're understanding? Like this is the teacher, AI is the backup. We should not move and just give AI the whole thing. Then we come with a very, very important thing. And any one of you, if you can share me, especially who teaches grade 9, 10, 11, 12, if you're there, that the points which is here, the first point, the cyberbullying, which is nowadays too much happening in the society with the
Yes, ma'am.
students. So anything
Yes,
which you have gone through, and what was the phase of the student, and how it has impacted the student, because they
ma'am.
really go inside the shell.
Ma'am, may I share?
Yes, please, ma'am, go ahead.
It's not like it's like class 11th, and there is a new child in the class, and uh, maybe a slow learner, or I can say maybe not slow learner, but he's new. And the other students, other group of students who are from previous only, they have a mindset of like sometimes in friends also we pass comments and we do leg pulling. So if you are friend and we are able to accept it, so we enjoy it. But they keep doing to that boy. So there was a meltdown point of that child. Then we had to intervene. Means I intervened because it was going on in front of me, and they were very casual. Means when I spoke, so then I told them that if this is considered, if this is a part of bullying, and there are certain stages where it will be treated as a crime. So this kind of scenario is there when there is a new child, and it happens not only in the senior classes. It's been now visible in the lower classes as well, middle school. And the child who is bullied, then that child becomes rebel. He may harm himself, herself, or some other child. This also happens.
Either he
So-
becomes rebel or he becomes submissive.
Correct.
Yeah, both are the chances actually.
Yes.
Going inside the shell, chances is more rather than becoming
Yes,
a
yes.
rebel. Anyone else? Then I will tell you that how as teachers we can work on this. Okay, so what happens is, I'll tell you very clearly, I'm a principal of a residential school where 11 and 12 is also there, and we have students from pan India. Okay, so you can understand the scenario of the school. Every day morning when we go, it's a platter, like good dishes on my plate the moment I get inside, the moment I park. So what happens is, in spite of telling them that you don't have an age of using the Insta, you don't have an age of using the Facebook or any that Snapchat and everything. So what happens is, they give lines. You talk about cyberbullying, they give become rebellious, that today this person and this person will have a fight the moment ma'am's cars goes off. So all of you come at this point. So as a teacher, they make it private. They make their all accounts as private. They will not allow you inside there. You don't know. They take pictures. They are so smart. You don't even know. Smart watches nowadays, the watches have everything. You don't have to tell to carry them the phone also. Phone is somewhere in the bag, or you don't allow them. So what happens as teachers, you cannot open up, you cannot say. Seriously, I'm telling you, if a teacher is speaking something and it hits their mind, you never know that the second moment what the child is going to attempt. There's a last week something happened. We all know that the girl jumped. I don't know which place I was seeing in the reels. So it was too
Yeah.
much into the media, correct? So nowadays we teachers are at the edge of the knife. We cannot speak, we cannot take it up. So what happens is, we have to give them examples indirectly, and we have to start making them understand that internet is not bad, but how to use it and how to where to stop it. You have to draw a line, and wherein in this the parents need the orientation, not the children. I'll tell you very clearly. The parents, I told you, the children are they are staying in a nuclear family. So what happens is, the father will come, मैडम बच्चा फोन ले लेता है. अरे फोन अपने आप कैसे ले लेगा जब तक आप उसको नहीं दोगे? पासवर्ड उसको कैसे पता जब तक आप उसको नहीं बताओगे? And then they will complain that for hours and hours and hours they are using it. So what we do in our school is that, if and many other schools, you people can also do it. Yes, Divya ma'am, maybe you want to ask something?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I was only agreeing with your point that now parents need more orientation rather than the students. Parents need orientation. So I was agreeing
Parents,
with it.
yes,
If you
very
are
true.
agreeing with it, do thumbs up. Every time you feel you are asking something.
No, it's something what is happening, Twinkle ma'am, to all the people who are sitting here. What happens is this is a very, very sensitive issue of cyber security or whatever it is, ma'am, because we have cameras, ma'am. We have cameras all over the school, but teachers
Yes.
cannot speak. We, as per the CBSE norms, we cannot touch the children. As per CBSE norms,
What
we
I feel,
cannot.
Rekha ji, a parent council is parent, including parents and child, both need counseling at the same
Yes,
time.
at the same time. And
Yeah,
you cannot give corporal punishment. You
yeah,
cannot scream. You cannot shout. You cannot tell anything. The moment you open your mouth, there is a mail on your screen that your
yes,
this teacher has done this thing. I know that teacher very well, that the teacher has not opened the mouth. There is
yes.
something. So what is happening is the way we have to balance these things, where internet, ma'am, they become, I'll tell you, this is, I think, even there are few teachers who will agree. Uh, there is a group of friends, for example. I'll give you a very good example. And someone is a little smarter and can speak little nicely in any of the events or in the class assembly or in the special assembly. That will start getting difference between other students.
Yes.
Then that child start getting inside the shell. As a teacher, that is why we say we have to make anecdotal record. This is the reason that this child was very active 2 months before. Suddenly, after annual day or some special assembly or any inter-house competition, this child is sinking, and you never know what is happening. So, as a teacher, we need to talk these all points. The first, online privacy, password safety, cyber, this all are connected. You have to talk. And I'll tell you, teachers, the teachers are second mothers in the school. They share everything if you have a bond with them. You can talk to the parents that this is happening. Then I will talk about this monitor online behavior. This is a very nice thing. We as teachers, we give them homework, correct? We give them online websites. Go in this, you will get the project answer here, the little bit hint or example, something like that. But what we do, we don't send a time limit. Then again the parent will come next day. मैडम आपने होमवर्क दिया था, आपने 2 वेबसाइट दे दिए, मेरा बच्चा दिन भर फोन लेकर बैठा हुआ था. Wherein you cannot explain the parent that project was only for 10 minutes. It was your thing that you have to check. So here we have to continuously talk to those people, those parents where you think that there is a problem. Teachers, don't wait for the alarm to ring. You have to jump into things. Because parents nowadays, they don't accept. I am also a parent. I also, when my daughter's teacher call, I also go and I sit like a victim there. But I understand the situation that where I'm going wrong.
But what I feel, Rekha ji, there should be government policies also regarding the usage of.
There I will not open my mouth.
Yeah.
If this
What I
any
feel
government
is
person is there, they will sue me
many
off.
countries are doing this thing nowadays.
Yes, agreed.
Many
Agreed.
countries are doing blocking Insta. Matlab they no use of Insta. Even
Already, ma'am, I have written a mail to the Telangana government education minister that I want to meet for these things. That nowadays, the way the suicidal attempts are happening, the way
Yeah,
people are
exactly.
taking this harsh decision, we have to stop it. So this thing here, all the teachers have a very good responsibility. Kindly, we trust you. So please talk to
Divya
the
ji,
students.
any question or thumbs up collect this thing?
No, ma'am, this is
Um,
everything is for the teachers, ma'am. I'll
Yeah,
tell
Divya
you.
ji want to ask something actually. That's
Yes,
why.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, I did not want to mention, but as a CBSE resource person, I also took one workshop on adolescent education in one of the CBSE schools here in under Prayagraj COE. So that whole document which we got, it was for the teachers, but in my opinion, actually, it should be for the parents and the students.
Yes.
It should be for them. When I was taking it up and explaining it to the teachers, most of the teachers responded that means okay, we know it, but how to convey part should be like the students
Yes.
should be sitting as audience over there. They should know
Yes.
the rules and regulations of
Yes.
cyberbullying and everything.
Yes. Acceptance is not there, Divya ma'am. Even I am a CBSE RP. So acceptance is not there. So everywhere the bullied is teachers. The bullied are teachers. So you forget about parents and teachers will delete parents and students will delete them. So teachers are the one who are there. I told it very nicely, edge of the knife. So now we will go with this, which I really, really want to take up as a challenge. And now I'm not against the teaching faculty, but yes, somewhere there's a gap which is creating all these things. What happens is the moment we go in the class, and after a week, as teachers, we have segregation on in our mind. Agreed. We segregate the children. ये बच्चा ऐसा है, ये बच्चा ऐसा है, ये बच्चा ऐसा है, ये बच्चा ऐसा है. And the segregation is not through attendance register or through the things. It is our mindset. That is why when we go in the class, we start visualizing the child through our mindset. We don't take it together.
Yes.
That is why in anger, it comes out. That this, you cannot do it. This, your handwriting, it will be like this. From class 4, I'm seeing you are in 5th, you have gone 6th. Even that teacher was talking about this because we have adopted it.
Judgmental. We become judgmental.
Ma'am, we segregate it in our mind.
Yes. Yes.
As teachers, we do that because it is not the fault of teachers also. It's just a pressure, ma'am.
It's just
Because
a
we
pattern
have,
from the initial classes that's coming up.
yes. So what we have to do is, generally now we have to make our class. We all are doing it. I am not disagreeing teachers that you people are not doing it. You all are doing it. But we have to take it little more. Because nowadays, for example, the way, if you agree with this R3, the way CBSE is going with R2, R1, R2, R3, the language. Just imagine the child who is coming from Bangalore to Hyderabad, and Telugu language is a foreign language for them. And that the pressure, that peer pressure of everything, then that assessment. If we cannot make them comfortable, then they are gone. You will see that there are children in the school, they come from different school with 80%, 70%, 90%. Suddenly, after 4 months, 5 months, the percentage starts dropping. And there are very few teachers who take out that initiative, they take it to themselves that why it is happening. In the PTM, we realize that, okay, this child is deteriorating. Before that, we don't take. Very, very less teachers, they take that initiative. So we start judging the child with ability, with their background, with their language, if they are little disabled or not, and then the peer learning. You're understanding this all start making a indefinite lines, transparent lines all around the student, wherein the student cannot come out. So we have to talk with them. It's very, very important. Teachers, you people are doing a fab job in your schools, no doubt about it. But somewhere we have to take one extra step for one student. That's very important. Then this thing will go off. Then this is very, very important nowadays. And I think in Hyderabad, ma'am, you won't believe there are all the hospitals have a counselor, a child counselor who is sitting and just doing this only. आपके बच्चे में ये प्रॉब्लम है, आपके बच्चे में ये प्रॉब्लम है. पेरेंट्स दे डोंट हैव पेशेंस मैम. दे जस्ट टेक देयर चाइल्ड. मैडम इसको ये दवाई दे दी है, मैम इसको ये प्रेस्क्रिप्शन है, द चाइल्ड इज हाइपर एक्टिव, द चाइल्ड कैन नॉट. बट देयर इज नो पेशेंस टू मेक द पेरेंट मैम टू
No, and parents don't accept it also. That's the problem actually. Parents
Ma'am,
don't
this
accept
visual,
yeah, there is some problem with the child. They won't accept.
I'll give you a very good example, ma'am. There was a person here. there was a gap between two children, ma'am. One child was in grade 10 and other was in grade 3. The father is a judge, the mother is a homemaker. Okay, so it is a high profile family.
Hmm.
So after every second day, the teacher used to come and they used to tell me, ma'am, ये बच्चा लिखता नहीं है. I am tired. Worksheets भेजो. Worksheet में खाने का दाग, like you have that oil stains and everything. It will come back. If you call the parent, the father will never come. We have never seen the father in the whole 2 years. The mother will come. She will tell that my son is like that. He does everything at home, but not doing in the school. It's a teacher responsibility, ma'am.
Teacher
And
responsibility is.
always, because ma'am, these people, they will come and always tell the teachers are not doing it. We are
They
taking all the
will
initiative.
always blame the teachers and the
Teachers
school.
are not doing
Always.
it.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I started observing the student. Okay. And then I saw that exactly in a class there are 40 students. And giving that alone 20 to 25 minutes to one child, it's not possible.
It's not possible.
It is
Yeah. It's not
unethical for the
possible.
teacher to do it. Still, the teacher is keeping too much of patience to take out the worksheet from his
Yes.
bag, pencil sharpening, everything like spoon feeding baby. Then I called the father. The father didn't turn up. Again, I told that if both the parents are not coming, then we have to take a strict action. And I have written a mail to the parent. Ma'am, the father came and you know how they burst, ma'am. If you support your teacher, they will start bursting. मेरा बच्चा ऐसा नहीं कर सकता.
They will be in the denial mode. No, she can't do
I
this.
just told one thing, ma'am, that you come after 10 days, sir. I will give you the report as a principal. Ma'am, when I have observed, ma'am, the child was a slow learner.
Yeah.
Then, always inside the shell, cannot take the light, cannot talk, and he used to eat like this, not stop. उसका पूरा jacket फटा हुआ था. Then when I told that, madam, I'm very sorry, we cannot continue with the child, then the mother started crying that, ma'am, we are already taking the child to the doctor, to the counselor. This is going, the father doesn't accept. So now can you understand that if we don't see both the ways, what the
Yes.
teacher is going
Yes.
through, ma'am?
Yeah, definitely.
Ma'am,
And
I
as per
want to say
CBSE,
something.
and as per CBSE, ma'am, we have to take these type of children
Yes.
in the school.
Inclusivity, what you call it?
Inclusive education. So,
Yeah.
so we have these type of, what I will tell you, teachers, make worksheets, make another arrangements, because you cannot have those 35 and these 3 children together. And you cannot deny also that you can, ma'am, you cannot separate them also. It is humiliation. You cannot tell them to stay away. You can make another bench, tell them to sit. You cannot do that. So what I will tell you that the children are good, ma'am. They just need a pat on the back. They need your finger to hold and walk. That's it.
Actually, they need support of both teachers and the parents at home also.
Ma'am,
Parents can't be in a denial mode always.
Ma'am, I believe my teachers. So I am with my teachers, ma'am.
Susmita ji has raised her hand for something. Yes, Susmita
Yes,
ji.
please.
Yeah.
Good
Divya ji,
evening,
you can.
ma'am.
Yes.
I would just like to add one point, as we have witnessed in our school last year. When it comes to the inclusive education and peer learning, there are parents also who are objecting that please don't make my
Yes.
child to sit with so and so child.
Very
My
true.
child will become dull in studies. So that also we need to take care, and we don't we try to make them to understand, but sometimes we too have a point where we don't know what to say to them so that they should convince that this is
Right.
very important for a
Yes.
good environment in the classroom as well.
Very true. So I agree with you, Sashmita ma'am. Divya ma'am, you want to tell something?
Yeah, ma'am, I was just saying that in other countries, especially when I watch the vlogs of the teachers from different countries or parents, their parents only identify what is with their child and they arrange for a special educator to come to
Yes.
their home or take
A shadow
them to the
teacher.
session. Yes, means parents are in a very accepting mode that yes, my child is going through this. So, but here it is like it's considered as a shame or
Yes.
like
What society will
taboo.
tell, what my
Yes,
friends will tell, what will
yes.
happen if they know that my
Too much
child
of
is a slow learner.
correct.
And they
So
start comparing. And then what happens is, because of the parents, the child is absolutely normal. He can be
but ma'am,
normal.
one of the contemporary issues because of this is that as a class teacher, there is a lot of paperwork. Means we
Yes,
have to make report of the child, or we will make the planners, or how to
agree.
adjust. And we also have a family to look after.
Yes.
So that is also one of the contemporary issues.
Yes, but what I feel, Divya ma'am, this is one topic which we can discuss for hours and hours. But this is one thing only I want to tell, that it is a hand-on hand thing, ma'am. We have to make the parents understand that this is the problem, and we have to understand by us also. So we cannot go with those many papers, because even CBSE asks so many papers. You have to make the child documentation this, and it is like a proper file, a thick proper file. So here we can just talk to the parents. But I think that as a teacher, ma'am, when we take up them as an adopted students, like they are our own children, then the parents, actually there are parents, ma'am, who actually accept also. But they just break down. They
Yes,
just
ma'am.
break down in front of you.
In our school, in my school, there is a mentor thing. So what happens? Few students of the class are divided to the teachers. Now,
Okay.
teachers will be the mentor of those. Mentor means like under me there are 3 students.
Okay.
So I will be calling up the parent, making a report in a diary, and it will be like I'll be a second parent to that child. Adopted.
Okay.
We adopt the
Yes.
students.
We also do in the hostel, ma'am. We tell our the coordinators, adopt the students. So if you adopt, then you become the mother. So at least you can take care of the children. So this is there. So, ma'am, end of the story, if you see this, all things come to the teacher only, directly or indirectly. So what I feel like, ma'am, when we know, so that is why we say, ma'am, always to the class teachers, ma'am, when the child is going to the next class, if you can just give that exact thing what the child has done this year, the other teacher will be little like less stressed. They get all the documents properly, and they can work on the child from that place, rather than going to the scratch. So there are 2 3 strategies which we can take it, ma'am. We all do it in the school. But I really want that the activity based learning, the real life experiences, and hands on activity, it is very very important nowadays. Even the books which we are getting through the publishers, different publishers, they are also giving too much impact on the activities. And then collaborative learning, if the child is a little weak, not learning properly, generally what do we do? As Ashmita ma'am told, that we cannot make them even sit. Generally, if the child is not good in maths, what do we do? That this child is very good in maths, we please you sit with your friend, make like help him to solve the problem. But after 1 week, the parent will come that my child is becoming a slow learner because of this child. But this, you can promote them with extra worksheets, through activities, through teamwork. And these children now, ma'am, they slowly go inside their shell. So make them monitors, give them some extra work, give this notebook or paper to another teacher, do this, do that, and I think they will come out of the shell. So these are the ADHD awareness, ma'am, that the children are very hyperactive. They have inattention. You will talk to them, they will never give eye contact. They will look here, there, everywhere they will look, but they will never look at you. And then if you will just tell them, suddenly they will start laughing, suddenly they will just leave the class. So these things, for them, they cannot understand big instructions. If you tell them that these things has to be done, they will not. You have to go bit by bit, step by step. Then you have to make their sitting arrangements. I feel it works wonders if you keep on changing the sitting arrangement of the class. Sometimes make it a circle, sometimes you make it a like U-shape classroom. And even the children should be very happy that today what my class teacher is going to do, what my subject teacher is going to do. It should be surprise for them. So then they come up with these things, small things you give them, that okay, go to the next class and bring this notebook, because they will never raise the hand. They never understand the instructions. They will always go somewhere where people don't see them. Even if they are short heighted, they will sit at the last bench, that the teacher should not look at them and tell them some work. And their breakdowns are different. You are teaching something, suddenly something happened to them, they will take the pencil, they'll poke. For what? God only knows. They will poke. And if you ask them why this reaction happened, they don't know. They actually don't know because it just happened. Then you have to talk to them. So and these children, ma'am, they are really hyperactive. Like there is one child in our school called, we cannot tell the name, like XYZ, we can tell. He will come out of the class, he will walk straight, but he will see up and he will scream. But he is so good in studies, ma'am. If you see his handwriting, if you see the oral answers he give, but attention, lack of attention in the class. He cannot sit. The teachers get scared if he sit. Always one shadow teacher is there with him to hold his hand because he will just get up. He will stand, sit on the chair. He'll start screaming. For what reason? No reason. So then the teacher needs to be very quiet. You have to have that positive view towards the child. So you have to talk with the child. That where is the thing what triggers the child. We actually after some time the teachers leave the patience. नहीं हो रहा है, मतलब टीचर की भी गलती नहीं है मैम. Inter-house competition is coming. PT exams are over. You have to correct. Report card is coming. PTM is going to come. You have to write the remarks. You have to give to the principal. Then again, this ceremony is coming. This inter-school competition is there. But ma'am, that child is your child. Think
Very
in that.
true. Very true.
That child is your child. Think in that way. उस पेरेंट ने आप पे भरोसा किया है मैम, that give it that warmth, and they all are wet mud. You make the shape, they will grow up like that.
Yes.
And one scratch, वो पॉटर कैसे बनाता है पॉटरी,
गीली मिट्टी जो होती है ना, गीली
एक
मिट्टी पे
धागा
yes.
भी अगर लग गया ना वो जिंदगी
वो
भर
जिंदगी भर रहता है. Yes, no doubt, no doubt.
So you have to be, ma'am, you can tell me I'm a very liberal teacher. I was a very liberal teacher. I am a very liberal principal. But I feel that love is something can make wonders.
AI can't take place of that love actually. That is
Yes.
there.
That love, that
Yes.
what Bharti ma'am told, that human touch,
Yes,
that
that is the
gesture.
most important. AI can't never be a part of, it can be a part of education, but not as a whole. It can be
So,
just a
Bharti ma'am,
part of it.
you want to tell something, Bharti ma'am?
Like as you are talking about ADHD, I was in my segment, like 9 to 10 segment, I was handling around 5 to 6 students of ADHD candidates.
My God.
Yeah.
It
So
was
in
challenging.
the 10th grade, like in my class, one student, he will not sit at all. He wanted to stand, he wanted to roam around. So what I did, okay, you will be monitor in my class. Now you have to connect my laptop. You have to do the connection with the audio. So that means he wants that attention. He is not only, he don't stick to the class, but he needs that attention as well. So when he needs attention, he gets satisfied. So then I made some ground rules to the class saying that, see, now this is my time to speak. So you have to allow me to speak. Now, when I ask you to speak, you have certain time, you have to raise your hand. So certain ground rules which makes your class very entertaining, engagement. So these are certain ground rules. As you said, one example that student suddenly pokes a pen. Yeah, in 9th grade also, one of the student is there who suddenly bangs the door. He come out and he sits in my cabin saying that, Bharti ma'am, I want to talk to you. Now all of a sudden, the parent will be there or some VP sir will be there where we are having some meeting. No ma'am, this is the right time for me to talk to you. He only decides it. Okay, I understood the pulse of the student.
The
So based on
level
the
of
pulse,
yes.
yeah, based on the pulse of the student, we have to connect to them emotionally and then handle the situation. I think if that is happened, then instead of creating so much problematic, we can reduce the problem and we can make the student calm down at that situation itself.
Ma'am, it is what you said. I absolutely second you. What happens is, ma'am, sometimes what I feel as a teacher, as Divya ma'am, Divya ma'am was there, right? Like as ma'am was telling that we have so many work at home. We are all homemakers also. We have to take care of the house. We have to take care of everything. Sometimes when we come to the school, we are already with the baggage on our head. And when we come with that baggage and many loops at the back, we get inside this class with that baggage only. मतलब फॉर एग्जाम्पल कुछ या तो तबीयत ठीक नहीं है या समथिंग हैपेंड विथ योर कलीग, मैम चिल्ला दी प्रिंसिपल मैम सुबह सुबह, या कुछ आपका व्हीकल खराब हो गया, समथिंग हैपेंड, सम XYZ टॉम डिक हैरी, एंड दैट बैगेज इज देयर, एंड द मोमेंट यू गेट इनसाइड ना, we should keep it out and then get inside the class. If we carry it, I'm seriously sorry, teachers, the thing will take a twist and a twirl and everything will be spoiled. What in seconds they decide, ma'am. In seconds, these children they decide that where you land up and where you fall. So this is very important that we have to talk to them. We cannot control them. There's another word. You cannot control these children. You can just make them understand. That's it. Then again, this dyslexia is actually nowadays a very common problem, especially for those students who have come after COVID. I think this COVID period, after the children, they have not gone to this nursery. Some have not, they have gone to nursery, but again, they have not gone to PP1, PP2 and all. And they have just directly joined grade 1. So this is what we are facing. They don't know how to hold a pencil. They have this handwriting problem. They cannot recall the letters for a longer time. They cannot learn anything. They have this all phonics problem. They have a very slow reading speed because everything happened at home. So parents told, ठीक है nursery हो गया ना, okay PP1 हो गया ना, PP2 में सीधा भेजा. Now 2 years the child was there at home, and the moment they jumped into PP2, and it is an ocean. From the well, they have not gone to the lake or the pond. They have literally jumped to the ocean. And they just know that there is a skill called swimming. That's it. And they have thrown into the ocean. So now here it is really a major. I will not tell that every student is dyslexia. They have different issues. Some has reading skill problem. Some have spellings problem. Some are literally, they don't understand. We have seen this Tare Zameen Par. That was before only. But see, the teacher, but that is real. This is real. Real and real is totally different. Movies, we can show that the hours and hours the teacher spend the time. But in real life, it is tough. So when there, I will suggest you teachers, don't wait for the PTMs. Tell the parents to come every fortnight or the weekends. Tell them that this work we have done, ma'am. This is extra worksheet which we are giving, and please kindly help your child to do it. I am also taking care. You also have to take care. You have to keep on calling. The monitoring is to the child also, and monitoring is for the parents also. Because if you leave, they don't even bother to come to the school. So phonics based instructions and audiobooks are nowadays in the market. You have so many things. And now the CBSE give you Scribe. So 10th board exam, you don't have any problem. But till board, you have to drag them. Till 8 also, you cannot touch them. Even if they are below slow learners, even if they are below average, you have to give them marks. So after in 9th, it's a dicey situation. So you have to work on them, and extra time in the assessments. We have to work on a little bit of MCQs. You have to work on a little bit of fill in the blanks, true, false. You have to make them understand the chapter, and they will work wonders. Then we have, I hope till here I'm clear to everyone, because this is something which I want to talk for the teachers. Abhi tak teachers बेचारे सांस ले लेके they are like gone. Now I will give you 2 words, teachers. In your life, 2 words are very important. One is urgent, one is important. Now you have to make the difference that what is urgent and what is important. Here, we have challenges. We have to make lesson plans. We have to have assessment. We have administrative duty. You are going in the class. You are taking the attendance. Suddenly, one teacher came running. Madam, kal aapki assembly hai, and these things has to be there. Ma'am, this is there. Your child, suddenly your assembly is full ready, and the child who is the first comparer who has to go to the podium and speak is high fever or some loose motions or some vomiting issue, something is there, not coming to the class, and principal ma'am is already angry from the morning, and then you have to start the comparing. The guard of honor is not there. So all these things are there. So these things in a teacher life, plan B is very important. Always remember, teachers, we should not go with one go कि ये हो गया तो यही कर लिया. नहीं, plan B in your life is very, very important, teachers, because we, especially in the education field, 90% by default we are females. We have to take care of our house also, kuch nahi kar sakte, and we have to take care of our job also. So you have to be organized. If you are not organized, if you cannot manage, you will be always overloaded with your work. We are seasoned teachers. We know that lesson plan will come. We know syllabus breakups will come. We know academic planning will come. We know class assembly will come. Why can't we have the skeletal planning before? Why do we run last moment? If these things we do, we will have, you can find in your schools also, there will be many people, Twinkle ma'am, in your today's meeting, there will be from management also.
Yeah,
And there will be
definitely.
people from the hierarchy also, principals and all.
Yes,
I
yes.
think you can understand there will be in your group few teachers, nicely they sit in the staff room. You will never find a single wrinkle on their face, on their forehead. When yes ma'am, all done, yes ma'am, it's done, and there are teachers जो दौड़ते ही रहते हैं, कभी फर्स्ट फ्लोर में दिख रहे हैं, कभी सेकंड फ्लोर में दिख रहे हैं, कभी लिफ्ट में दिख रहे हैं, कभी oh please just let me breathe. This happens because you are not organized. Teachers, the more the education system is going higher, there are many RPs here, resource people. There are very people who are actually into the CBSE. We know things are going to another level now. CBSE slowly adapting all the IB culture, Cambridge study structure, IB study structure. Even the state is going also like this. So we have to be like Goddess Durga. In one hand, lesson plan. In one hand, we have mic. One hand, we have the script. One hand, we have the activity sheet and all these things. But there you have to understand that what is important at that time, and you have to understand that what is urgent, which is needed. You cannot mix important and urgent. The day you segregate this, your life is peaceful. Because after coming home, you have to have a very nice smile for your children. You have to have a very nice smile for the household work, which is lying in the house for you, waiting. That when ma'am will come and open the door, and we all are there for you. The kitchen, the dining table, your children homework, your projects, your other things. So teachers and everyone, it's a humble request from my side. Please work, but understand which is at that time you need, and which you need, what you need after 2 months. Don't mix two words. Then your life is very simple. And you will be simple happy. Because nowadays teachers are like IT people. You tell them what we have to do. PPT we know how to make. You tell them we work till 2 o'clock at night. Because we have to make so many things. So we work more than the IT people. जाने का तो पता है स्कूल कि मैडम ने 8 बजे बुलाया है, आना कितने बजे है नहीं पता है. We don't know that. Especially the one who are in the administrative job. Principals, the managers, the admission counselors. We know when to go. Check-in time pata hai, check-out time nahi pata hai. So please organize. If you are doing all these things, you are absolutely on a good job. Now, this is something stress. And I will talk in front of the students. They tell us depression. It's a very heavy word nowadays. The students are, you ma'am, please, I'm very depressed. You don't know. I have seen the life two shades. डार्क साइड, मैम द स्टूडेंट से ग्रेड 10, हमने दोनों जिंदगियां देखी है, डार्क एंड लाइट, अभी देख लिया है। 14 साल की उम्र में दे हैव सीन दैट डिप्रेशन वर्ड, दिस एंड दैट. So our stress is like workload, the classroom management, especially comes to the parent expectation. I will give 9 points here. Parent expectation. And then comes the digital pressure. Every day we have some or the other activity. Every day we have some or the other rule. Every single day we have some or the other thing to present. If every single day we have a classroom activity to upload, first you plan the activity, then you have to make the students to do the activity, then you have to make the reels for that activity, then you have to post it in the Instagram, then you have to check how many parents have seen, why parents are not following the Instagram. All are connected. So this is the stress level which we are going through. So please, all the teachers here, take out a me time. पूरे 24 घंटे में, don't tell that we cannot take it, ma'am, but please take it. It's a request from my side, because after some days you will feel that you are into some loop and it's not coming out. You have to take a cup of coffee, और बस सोच लो कि आप you have become a horse like this and you can't see anything, and just sit. In the school, look for a corner place. Like I go. The whole day yesterday, I was so much into investiture ceremony interviews. I went to the basketball court corner and I was standing there for 10 minutes. Ki bas ab nahi ho raha hai. My mind cannot take it. But that me time is very much necessary. Very much. We cannot say that we don't have time for ourselves. The moment you start, do any fun, go for Zumba, go for cycling, talk with your friends, have a con call, and talk whatever you want. And then make yourself fresh. So that next day you go to the school with the same positive vibe and the happy smile. Or else, the people will look at you. आज भी मैम का मूड, ड्रेसिंग से ही समझ में आ गया मैम का मूड खराब है आज. With the dressing also, dressing only they judge us that today this is not there, this is not there. That means ma'am is in a like bad mood. So don't represent yourself. You are the limelight of the teachers, are the limelight of the class, and the principals are the limelight of the school. If we are happy souls, if we are the happy pills, everything is sorted. The moment we are entering into the school, throw everything out. जो होगा देखा जाएगा. वो बोलते हैं ना, माता के मंदिर में जाते हैं सब छोड़ के आ जाते हैं. It's like that. So please, 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 work-life balance is very important. It's very, very important. Activity time I wanted to do, but this is something like, just close your eyes for just 2 minutes, everyone. Just close your eyes and just think of one thing that happened today in the whole day and you are grateful for that. And just tell a thank you note to the universe that thank you for making me witness whatever happened today. Just 2 minutes for yourself. One thank you makes a difference. Let it be a child who has made you happy in the class. Let it be that teacher who never finished the work but today has come and give you the file. Let it be today when you are going to the school, there was no traffic. So say traffic, पुलिस को thank you बोल दो that because of आज कोई public निकला ही नहीं road पे. And say thank you to yourself that you are the best person. You are the best soul on the earth, and no one else can be more lucky than you because you are witnessing everything. Just 2 minutes. Another 56 seconds. Just breathe, feel happy. There should be a smile on your face, and you should feel very good about it, whatever happened. Gratefulness is very important. Giving gratitude is very important. Let it be supreme power, let it be your colleagues, let it be that small chotu baby of nursery who always come and tell, good morning, ma'am, how are you? That makes your day. These things always cherish you. and just always feel happy that yes, you are doing something for the society. We are the people who are doing wonders for the world. So it's over, done. We all are happy pills. So clap for yourself and give a pat to yourself that we are the good souls. So now it's like a reflective teacher, or whatever we were talking about, it's like that. We should not be stagnant water. We should flow. A river, make a place wherever, let it be a small hole, the river comes out of it. So teacher should not be stagnant water. They should flow, flow, flow. Learn, whatever it is. Let it be anything. You can learn from your that nursery child. You can learn from your daughter. You can learn from anyone. Learning should be never. It should be an ongoing process. The moment you say that I know everything, that means you have put a pause, full stop in your life. No, you should learn. A teacher should be happy, should adaptive, should learn from your colleagues. If someone is excellent in the class, go and appreciate. Well done. Can you teach me how you have done that? That motivates her also and gives a boost to you also. We should always do that. Then what worked well, what could improve, and did whatever you're doing, everyone has participated, and you yourself has participated not, is very important. Sometimes in the class you will see statues. I always tell example in the class that I am not in a graveyard. If you are not responding, that means it's better I should go and teach there. And every time I say in my class, when I go and take English classes, I just tell one thing: every answer is correct. The moment you say this, every child will respond to you. Whatever you are speaking is correct. Whatever answers you are giving is correct. So this is very important. And this, you can just keep it in your mind that one classroom success till you had it, and you want to share, you can share anyone. And one challenge. Challenges are, it's never ending. Sorry, I should have written 1,000 challenges every day, which I have a challenge. So one success and one challenge. If anyone can share, it will be grateful. Because challenge, so I think, ma'am, Twinkle ma'am, you can get a book. Every teacher can write a book for challenge. Success, yes. Success ke liye we take time. We have to wait
Definitely.
for the results. It's just like a germination thing.
Yeah,
आज लगाया है बीज, तो शायद 10 साल के बाद we can have the mango.
very true.
So,
Very
but challenge, yes, anyone. A challenge which you have overcome it and you have just changed the child. Anyone. Anyone.
Anyone wants to share
Anyone.
their experience?
Anyone.
Yeah.
Because challenges we have, even a principal can share, because principals ke paas to books.
Ragini ji, you are there or you have left? Yeah, she is there. You want to share?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I
Yes,
want to
right.
say something.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
lovely
for
ji.
me, success means that my student usually say that, ma'am, we are very lucky that you are very soft and kind-hearted. You
That's
always
great.
explain all the topics in a very smooth manner and always respond politely. That is my success, I think.
That's great.
Very nice.
And
Very
challenge,
nice,
ma'am,
Ragini
any
ji.
challenge, lovely ma'am, which you have faced, where you can say that yes, you have overcome it and you have solved it very nicely.
Every
Any
time that we become class teacher of any new class, that is also a challenge.
That
We
is
are
a
new to
challenge.
that student, and they usually judge you that yes, this is the new ma'am. How she is going to react in my class? How will we see in my class? And if they connect with us, they usually say that yes, ma'am is so good, and they usually
उसके लिए
talk
बहुत
to
टाइम
their
लगता है लवली मैम.
talk
मैम
to
इज गुड,
yes,
मतलब कि बहुत दिन के बाद निकलता है.
no, it really works, ma'am. When we are
Yes.
working for them now, I
Yes.
think they connect easily, and that is the main success of us.
Agree. Absolutely, yes. Absolutely, yes. So now here, thanks for sharing. So now here, what we have to have, teachers should always have a lifelong learning thing. your professional confidence. Teachers, I'll tell you one thing. If you cannot speak, your children cannot speak. First thing. Second thing, you can make out that this class, which is walking in a line, you can make out with the class who is the class teacher. You can make out with the class who is a subject teacher. So, teachers,
Okay.
if you are lagging with the confidence, you cannot inculcate that seed in the child. If you don't want to come in front of the stage, you cannot pull the children towards the stage because they are seeing you as the role model. They are seeing you as a facilitator. They are seeing you as a mentor. So you have to work on yourself. Then only your children will be your replicas. दैट इज वाई वी ऑलवेज से ये सबसे ज्यादा होता है इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के टीचर्स के संग, मैडम आप ही बोल दो सारा, लाइक योर द पूरी जनता जनार्दन आपके पीछे ही रहेगी. बट नाउ अ डेज it loves, people love to speak. So polish yourself. No one is good or bad. No one. The moment you start judging yourself, you'll go inside the shell again. So stop judging yourself. Just work on it. सही गलत कुछ तो बोला, बट उतनी हिम्मत की कि सामने मैं आज 100 लोगों के पास आकर बोली हूँ. That's really great. Your students, when they see you speaking in front of the mic, they feel very proud. They feel very good that my teacher is speaking. My class teacher is speaking. That confidence is another level in them. That boost up. Then another thing is you have to go for workshops. Teachers, CBSE, anyhow, you have to go for 70 hours of workshop. That's mandatory. Go with
70
Diksha.
or
50
50,
hours.
ma'am,
50 hours.
50 is compulsory. I say 70 क्योंकि अगर 70 बोलूंगी तो 50 पे आके रुकते हैं मैम.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's like Indian Standard Time. You say 7:30,
yes, yeah.
8:30. It's just like that.
Very true.
So, online courses and peer observation. Teachers, please, all your friends have some good thing which you can adapt. So go observe, sit in their class, take permission from your principal that, ma'am, can I sit in her class because this teaching skill is very good, and adapt it. Nothing harm in it. सीखने में कुछ बुराई नहीं है. And professional learning communities, nowadays you have so many communities where you can adapt, grab things, and you can grow. And you keep it in your mind. No need to share to me that what skill you want to adapt or develop next. It's very important. And the 21st century teachers should have all these things: the digital literacy, emotional intelligence, creativity, collaborations, adaptability, and the most important thing is critical thinking.
It's all compulsory.
Come mandatory. मिक्सी में घोलो, शेक के जैसे पी लो, and it's a booster. It's a protein shake for us. So this was something which I thought we will do it, but we are running from the time. So these are the key takeaways. So technology should support us, but should not replace the teachers. Every child should learn differently. Teachers' well-being matters. Teachers, you are support to each other. Please, you are important for the school. And you are important for everyone. And you are, most importantly, you are important for yourself. So never ever compromise. And reflection leads to growth. That's very important. And Rest by Henry Adams, that a teacher affects eternity. No one can tell where their influence stops.
Very true. Very 100%.
You never know that. I have done one very good thing, that I was flying 3 years before, and my student was a pilot, and she saw me. I couldn't recognize, and she announced that the lady who is sitting in 23A is my principal, and tears were rolling out. That was the most. You never know that where you meet those people to whom you have given ample love, that security, that safe hands, that I am yours till you grow. So teachers, your hands should be that safe hands, that you are nurturing a soul. And how many we have done till date, we don't know. So thank you so much for being there. Any questions, anything, you can just ask me. And thank you for tolerating me.
Not tolerating. Everybody was enjoying your session.
No, ma'am, it should be like
Ma'am,
that. Negative effects more than positive. Always remember.
we have
Yeah,
learned
any
a lot,
questions,
ma'am.
any query, please go ahead. We are now open for the queries and questions. Yeah. No questions?
So way to go.
They are
So
so
one
overwhelmed. They are so overwhelmed. They don't have any questions
Hey,
now.
Twinkle ma'am, but one thing I want to tell, even if there
I have one question.
please,
Yeah,
please.
yeah, Divya ji, we were waiting for that one. Yeah,
Ma'am,
please.
I have a question. Sometimes even suppose there is a teacher and the child, especially in the case of 9th to 12th, the child is not doing the work in the class, and the teacher asks why you are not doing, and there is an insult coming from the child. And later on, when the complaint is placed, the child denies, and the teacher is left without any support. So how to deal those situations? And later on, the child is like, see, what a big thing I did. That's my achievement.
Very good question. This happened yesterday. The same thing happened, but not in a classwork. It happened in investiture ceremony interview. Same thing. Only the situations are changed. So here, ma'am, first of all, the first thing I think before I was telling that now the way we have to talk to the students, that pattern has to be changed. We directly cannot talk in front of the class. For them, even if a teacher is opening the mouth, it is humiliation for them. First thing. Second thing is, we know, ma'am, even if you do whatever, you talk to the parents, whatever, they will not do. First thing is, tell not to talk. Okay, you have not done it. Write a note. Rather than talking to them, writing note, I feel it works wonders. First time. Then tell very nicely, kindly check your almanac. Don't write in front of. Take the almanac, take to the staff room, write it down. We generally do that and give it to the student. Kindly tell your parent to acknowledge it. Next day, not done. In there, again, you do the signature. Third time, rather than telling to the child, call the parent. Because, ma'am, for them, they just want to target the teachers nowadays, especially 9th and 11th, 12th. They have, it has become a habit for the students that for them, teachers are the target thing. Matlab, kuch bhi bolo, the teachers are the thing. Because yesterday also the same thing happened. The teacher asked a question, and later on, because she was not there in the student council as one of the members, she told because of the teacher, I couldn't answer properly. You're understanding? So at that time, we have to just stop and start ignoring in not in a bad way. What do we do? Generally, because it happened in front of the class, now we ignore it a very bad way. Acha, tumne kiya hai, and for us also, the child becomes a target, and for the child also, we become the target. So we have to differentiate, ma'am. Very nicely tell the child, you write it down in the almanac, ma'am. After writing in the almanac, after 2-3 days, if it's not working, ma'am, call the parent. But rather than talking to the child in front of the class, you never know what he will say outside. So बोलते ना कि आजकल कैसा हो गया, we are drawing a transparent line around us. Default हो गया मैम वो. Because we never know that what is going inside their mind. You
We
cannot
want to play
speak more.
safe, actually. We want to play safe, I should say.
बोलना भी है. वो बोलते ना सांप को मारो but और लाठी भी नहीं टूटे.
Lathi bhi na toote. Exactly,
So
exactly.
we have to work like that.
Yeah, Akash
So
ji,
I-
you have raised your hand. Yeah,
Divya
please.
ma'am, I think I'm little clear because
Yeah,
this
Divya.
is something situation which
Yes,
comes
ma'am.
every day.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Akash sir, yes.
Yes, ma'am. The session was excellent. But I would also love if you could discuss the drawbacks of learning, becoming overly dependent on AI, and how teachers can help students use.
Akash ji, tomorrow we are doing a AI session in
Okay.
Skill Veda.
See,
Okay,
You
okay.
can, if you want, you can attend and you will learn how to not to do overdo things.
yes.
Okay.
Okay.
And that will be a very nice session for educators only. We have organized the AI session. I will be sending the information in the group. So go through it and you will come to know and attend the session. But I must say this thing.
And Akash sir, one thing I'll tell you, AI is
Yes, ma'am.
something which needs every day, like the way we give, I told me time, AI
Yes,
for
ma'am.
the technology, especially. I will not use AI tools. I will say that digital learning
Yes,
is a daily basis, ongoing routine. Like every day you have to come, open, you have to see the wonders,
Now,
and you have
and
to.
Rekha ji, what I feel now, AI is necessary nowadays for everyone, not
Yes,
for
ma'am. Yes,
educators.
absolutely. Yes.
For everyone,
We
we
use,
are using mother AI nowadays.
ma'am, AI we are using from the biometric till the students are taking attendance, till we
Yes,
are giving the
everything for
homework,
everything.
we are
Yes.
giving the fees, everything. It's digital learning only.
Online payment is there. Every feedback, as I shared a feedback form, that will is also online. So you
So,
all have to
ma'am,
fill
even
that.
this. So,
Yeah.
Akash sir, you can join it, but
Yes,
always I have used this in my slide also, that AI, whatever it is, can never replace a teacher. That
yes,
will
Human
never,
touch,
because
as Divya
emotions
ji
is
said, the human
something
touch. Yeah.
that can never be. I absolutely go with Bharti ma'am's first comment, which she told that human touch is very important.
Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much for everything. Any more
I
further questions?
I think Rekha ji, the response of the participants are itself a feedback for you. You did an amazing job, and the session was so engaging. Every second we didn't feel it's almost 8:35 now.
No, it was because of the participants, ma'am, who
Yeah,
made
that's the
me
same
engaged.
thing. You are such a motivating speaker this time. Really, it
Thank
was
you so
amazing.
much. Thank you
And
so
thank you
much.
everyone for joining us.
Thank you
And
all the participants
Thank you,
also,
yeah,
ma'am,
ma'am.
the Twinkle ma'am,
Thank
the
you so
way
much
they
for your
have
time.
participated, the way they have given me live examples. Because whenever you talk about live things, it converts into a very nice
yes.
session.
The speaker also feel motivated, na? Ki otherwise.
Yes, thank you
Yes.
so much. Thank you, Twinkle
Thank you
ma'am, for
everyone for
everything. Thank
joining
you,
us.
everyone.
We have shared the feedback form in the group. So please, that's a mandatory feedback form. So please fill it up. All the participants will be getting the certificates. So please don't fill the group with the, I am not getting certificate. I will be sending certificate to everyone. Okay. Don't worry. And yes, thank you, Rekha ji, for your time and effort for such a interactive and descriptive PPT. Definitely, we will be using it from tomorrow onwards only.
Thank you so much. Just me time, teachers, and one pat at your back that you're doing a good job.
The sessions are also me time. These sessions are also like a me time only. Tomorrow we are having a AI session. If anybody wants to join us, please do come in the session. Fine. Thank you everyone for joining us. Thank you, Rekha ji. Thank you.
Thank you, Twinkle ma'am. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day and sleep well and be happy. Stay blessed.
Same to you. Bye.
Bye-bye.